Ever wondered how hormones influence your weight and body shape? Hormones play a crucial role in regulating body weight and shape by influencing appetite, metabolism, and the distribution of fat. For example, insulin and leptin are key in signaling satiety and managing energy storage, while hormones like cortisol can promote fat accumulation, particularly in the abdominal area. The balance of these and other hormones determines individual variations in body weight and composition, affecting how the body stores and burns fat. Hormones are the body's chemical messengers, playing a pivotal role in controlling our appetite, metabolism, and fat distribution. These biological powerhouses are produced by the endocrine system, an intricate network of glands that releases hormones into our bloodstream. From there, they travel to tissues and organs, influencing almost every cell, organ, and function of our bodies. The endocrine system helps regulate everything from mood to growth and development, tissue function, metabolism, and, yes, even body weight and shape. Hormones like insulin, cortisol, leptin, and thyroid hormones, among others, have a significant say in determining our body's composition. They influence whether we gain weight, lose weight, or maintain our current shape. So to understand our weight and body shape, we first need to understand hormones. Now that we understand the role of hormones, let's delve into some key hormones and how they affect our body weight and shape. First on our list is insulin, often referred to as the sugar regulator. Produced by the pancreas, this hormone plays a critical role in regulating blood glucose levels by facilitating the absorption of glucose into cells for energy. When we consume more glucose than our body needs, insulin signals the body to store the excess as fat, making it a key player in fat storage and, consequently, our body weight and shape. Next, we have cortisol, also known as the stress hormone. Produced in the adrenal glands, cortisol's primary function is to help the body respond to stress. However, prolonged levels of high cortisol can lead to an increase in appetite and, notably, a preference for sugary and fatty foods. This can result in an accumulation of abdominal fat, contributing to weight gain and changes in body shape. Now let's talk about leptin and ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormones. Leptin, produced by our fat cells, sends signals to our brain when we've had enough to eat, promoting feelings of fullness. Ghrelin, on the other hand, is produced in the stomach and signals hunger to our brain. An imbalance in these hormones can disrupt our appetite and satiety cues, leading to overeating and weight gain. Moving on to thyroid hormones, which are crucial for regulating our metabolic rate. Produced by the thyroid gland, these hormones play a vital role in determining how quickly or slowly our bodies burn calories. An underactive thyroid can slow metabolism, leading to weight gain, while an overactive thyroid can result in weight loss. Lastly, we have the sex hormones, estrogen and testosterone. Estrogen, the primary female sex hormone, is involved in regulating fat storage, especially around the hips and thighs. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, helps in building muscle mass and influences the distribution of fat, predominantly around the abdomen. It's important to note that these hormones don't work in isolation, but rather in a complex, interconnected network. Changes in one hormone can impact the levels or effectiveness of others, creating a ripple effect throughout the body. Furthermore, factors such as diet, exercise, stress, and sleep can also influence these hormone levels. These are just a few examples of hormones that play significant roles in determining our body weight and shape. Our next scene will delve into how hormonal imbalances can affect body composition, so stay tuned. But what happens when these hormones are out of balance? Well, an imbalance in our hormonal system can lead to significant changes in our body composition. This can manifest as weight gain or loss, often in a way that seems erratic or uncontrollable. Take, for instance, polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, a condition characterized by an excess of androgen hormones in women. This hormonal imbalance can lead to weight gain, particularly around the waist, and difficulty losing weight. The excess androgens can also cause things like acne, excessive hair growth, and irregular periods. Then there's menopause and andropause, the stages in life when female and male hormone levels, respectively, begin to decline. For women, the decrease in estrogen levels during menopause can result in weight gain, particularly around the abdomen. This is because estrogen helps regulate body weight, and when levels drop, the body might look for other places to store fat. Men, on the other hand, experience a decrease in testosterone levels during andropause, which can lead to increased body fat and decreased muscle mass. testosterone plays a crucial role in building and maintaining muscle mass, so when levels dip, the balance between muscle and fat can shift. It's important to note that while these conditions can cause changes in body shape and fat distribution, they are just part of the puzzle. There are numerous other hormonal imbalances that can affect body weight and shape, such as issues with thyroid hormones, insulin, cortisol, and more. Each of these hormones plays a unique role in regulating metabolism, appetite, and fat distribution, and an imbalance in any of them can disrupt this delicate balance. So, what's the takeaway here? Hormonal imbalances can have a significant effect on our body composition. They can lead to weight gain or loss and affect where fat is stored in the body. And while hormonal imbalances are often associated with specific conditions or stages in life, they can occur at any time and for a variety of reasons. Clearly, hormonal imbalance can have a profound impact on our body weight and shape. So how can we manage these hormones for optimal body weight and shape? First, let's consider diet. What we eat has a direct impact on our hormonal balance. Consuming a diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can help regulate our hormones. Foods like quinoa and lentils, for instance, can help manage insulin levels, while fatty fish like salmon can boost levels of leptin, the hormone that signals satiety. On the flip side, sugary drinks and processed foods can lead to insulin spikes and wreak havoc on our hormones. Next, there's exercise. Regular physical activity not only helps us shed excess weight, but it can also balance our hormones. For example, aerobic exercise has been shown to decrease insulin resistance, while strength training can stimulate the release of growth hormone and testosterone. Sleep is another vital aspect of hormonal health. Lack of sleep can disrupt the balance of hormones such as cortisol, ghrelin, and leptin, leading to increased appetite and weight gain. Prioritizing a good night's sleep goes a long way in managing our hormones. Last but not least, let's talk about stress management. Chronic stress can lead to an overproduction of cortisol, a hormone that can trigger fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. Techniques such as meditation, yoga, or even just taking a leisurely walk can help keep stress levels in check and maintain hormonal balance. To sum it up, managing hormones for optimal body weight and shape isn't about quick fixes or fad diets. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support overall hormonal health. It's about making the right food choices, staying active, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. Remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise regimen. With the right lifestyle choices, it's possible to manage our hormones and achieve a healthier body weight and shape. As we continue to learn more about hormones, the future of weight management looks promising. The field of hormonal research is expanding, and we are beginning to unravel the intricate connections between our body's hormones and our weight. One emerging area of research is the relationship between our gut microbiota, those trillions of bacteria living in our digestive tract, and our hormonal interactions. As we uncover more about this dynamic, it's becoming increasingly clear that our gut health plays a significant role in our hormonal balance. For instance, certain gut bacteria seem to influence the levels of hormones like insulin, which regulates our blood sugar and impacts our weight. But it's not just about understanding these connections. It's also about using this knowledge to develop future therapies and interventions for weight management. Scientists are currently exploring innovative treatment strategies that target hormonal balance. These could range from new medications designed to regulate hormone levels to lifestyle interventions that help us naturally maintain hormonal health. For example, consider the hormone leptin, which helps control our appetite. If we could develop a treatment that enhances the function of leptin, we could potentially help people feel more satisfied after eating and reduce overeating. That's just one potential application of this research. The role of biotechnology cannot be ignored either. With advancements in genetic engineering and personalized medicine, we may soon have the ability to tailor weight management solutions to an individual's unique hormonal profile. This could revolutionize the way we approach weight loss and weight management, making it a more personalized and effective process. However, as we explore these new frontiers, we must also consider the ethical implications. Hormonal manipulation, especially for aesthetic purposes, raises important questions about consent, fairness, and potential risks. It's essential that we navigate these ethical considerations with care as we continue to advance in this field. As we've seen today, hormones play a crucial role in body weight and shape, and with ongoing research, we're learning new ways to leverage this knowledge for healthier living.